My name is Joan Whitson, and I'm with the Early Learning Coalition of North Florida. And today's topic is math for preschoolers. I'm going to show you how to make these counting sticks and show you several different activities to do along with them. Using these counting sticks will help kids work on their numbers, ordering in sequence, and one-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence is the act of counting an object in a set once, with one touch per object. To make the counting sticks, it's very simple. All you need is a craft stick, a magnetic strip, and some stick-on numbers. I found my magnetic strips in a whole roll at Michael's, and then I just cut them the length that I wanted. And they do have a sticky part on there, but I also used a glue gun to make sure that they stayed on strong. And then for the numbers, I just went to the Dollar Tree and found a set of stick-on felt numbers and stuck them right on there. You could also, if you wanted, just take a marker and write the numbers on there. Well, what do we want to do with these sticks? Well, I would say the first and easiest thing when introducing counting sticks is have the kids try to put them in the right order. When they're first learning numbers, I would recommend that you write the numbers 1 to 10 in order, like I did here, so that they can look at them and then they can copy and then put these sticks all in the right order, like I did. You could have them read you the numbers. You could call out a number and have them find, like, oh, let's find number 8. Find me number 2, and let them find it and hand it to you. A really fun activity that you can see that I have here is using paper clips. Because these are magnetic, paper clips work perfect on this. Just have the kids put the amount of paper clips that corresponds to the correct number. 1, for example, got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, of course they're going to put 6 on, and so on all the way down the row. They'll really enjoy how the paper clips stick, and it'll be a really great activity. Now I made an extra number 1, and that's because I also wanted to be able to make a 10 and work with 2 digits. That way you can also have the kids, do 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on, and also go into the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. There's a lot of things you can do with these counting sticks. I'm sure you can come up with a lot more, but I just wanted to show you this simple activity and simple thing that you can keep at home or in your classroom to pull out at any time. Enjoy.